Questions number 1. What is the name of the world's highest waterfall? Your right answer is Angel Falls. Questions number 2. Who was the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize? Your answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Questions number 3. Who invented the telephone? Your answer is Alexander Graham Bell. Questions number 4. Who was the first person to step on the moon? Your answer is Neil Armstrong.